Hi, and welcome to Module 3. Over the next couple of modules, we will look at different types of emails and how they should be planned and written differently depending upon their purpose. In this module, we'll focus on introductions and announcement emails. Our first lesson will be on understanding the basic purposes and approaches to these two types of emails, and in our next lesson, we'll focus on the key language and how to write these emails. We're going to start with introduction emails. Remember a time in your life when you met someone that's now important to you? How did that feel, and how did that change your life? Well, introduction emails can change your life if they're written the right way. So let's find out how to do that. In introduction emails, you may be introducing yourself or two business contacts that you think would work well together. Either way, you want to follow a few simple rules. As we said in an earlier lesson, your subject line needs to be clear and to the point. Let your reader know that you think the introduction will be good for them professionally. Let's look at some examples. In the body of your email, state clearly who you are and what value you can add to the reader after you meet. The same goes with introducing two of your business contacts to each other. How do you or your two contacts make a good match? For example, state clearly what skills or abilities you have that will work well for your reader, or why meeting you would be good for them. We're now going to focus on announcement emails. Announcement emails are somewhat different. The same rules about the subject line and greeting are true. Announcements are a way of telling other professionals about something that's new to them. It may be a product or service you offer. Maybe it's the opening of a new office or a change of location. Be very clear about information you're providing and make sure it's accurate the first time. Nothing looks less professional than having to send a correction email because you goofed up the first one. If you're in the process of setting up a meeting or you send out an announcement of some kind, people may request additional information. Look closely at any questions and be sure you do not send an email with unanswered questions. Try to think of any additional information people might need as a result of the questions or new ideas in your response. Now let's sum up. We've looked at two different types of emails and how to keep them as clear as possible. Here are some key ideas to keep in mind with these lessons. For both types of emails, make sure that the subject line clearly reflects the purpose of the email. Introduction emails should include why it is important to get to know you or the other business partner. And with announcement emails, always double check to make sure the information is correct before you send it out. You should now have an improved idea of how to write introduction and announcement emails.